Dear customer, hello. We are well aware of the challenges and pain points you face in the field of industrial paper shredding, so we have specially customized an efficient and durable paper shredding fan for you, aiming to solve your practical problems in the production process and improve work efficiency. Here is how our paper shredding fan can help you avoid common problems and contrast with inferior products. The core component of our paper shredding fan, the impeller, adopts a unique design and precise technology to ensure stability during high-speed operation and avoid common problems of inferior fans such as uneven paper delivery or paper jams. The blade is made of 65 material, designed to be sharp and durable, with excellent wear resistance for long-term use, which greatly saves maintenance costs and time compared with inferior products whose low-quality blades are easy to wear and need to be replaced frequently. Strict dynamic balance tests are carried out during production to ensure the life and high performance of the equipment and avoid problems such as large vibration, high noise, and short life caused by poor dynamic balance, which are common defects of inferior fans. Our test accuracy can reach up to G2.5. Shredders can easily handle ordinary paper, cardboard, and special paper, such as office waste paper, corrugated boxes, industrial cardboard, and coated paper. It can adapt to the processing needs of paper of different thicknesses to avoid problems such as paper jams or incomplete shredding. Shredders are widely used in papermaking, packaging, and other industries. Their excellent performance and stable operation have won high recognition from customers. At the same time, we tailor models according to parameter requirements, provide reference and one-stop service, which is different from one-size-fits-all inferior products and pays more attention to meeting personalized needs. Whether it is product performance or our service, shredders have received unanimous praise from customers. This is not only an affirmation of us, but also a driving force for our continuous progress.
Thank you for your coming, listen machinery to our company in Indonesia. We are very satisfied for your service and for your product. And until now, your product is very good and no problem right now. Thank you.
We promise to continue to provide you with better solutions with high quality and high performance products to ensure your production efficiency and product quality. Thank you for your attention to our shredders and look forward to further cooperation with you.